Aussie dollar. Okay, so originally I had my monthly entry way up here. We do not think it's going to hit that now, so we're going to have to do some serious adjusting. Delete this for now, delete this zone here. And now it's coming down to this zone here, which is pretty significant on the daily. So I gotta figure out where I might want to sell this again. Delete this for now. We're looking at kind of where price might come back up to, where it might be a reasonable trade. This is your daily range way up here, so yeah, I mean, to start off I would move these down. I'm trying to see, you don't really want to force anything, right? So if the zone's not really there, then you don't want to make it up and just draw something, but there is a bit of one here. So as far as I can tell right now, this is my safe bet, which is still far away, but it is what it is. Looking at about 67.5 will be kind of the range here. And then, I mean, price would still, if price came back up, I mean, it would take a while, but if it came back up and hit this zone, then it would, you're looking for a rejection, and then you're looking for your entry down to its monthly range here, but it would have to go through this major zone here. So honestly, I think the most logical take on this trade would be a buy position relatively soon as price comes down into this area. As long as it rejects properly and the price action is there, it would be a bit of a counter trend trade, but then you might target a little bit higher than this zone once price comes down into this area, because I just don't see, I mean, there's a few options to look at. I think that's a bad option, what I just went over. It is an option, but it's not a good one, so in comparison. So I would not counter trend this. I'd simply wait for price to come back up to this zone and target this monthly area, this monthly low, just bank on it breaking this zone and holding it. But because I wouldn't want to counter trend trade it and necessarily buy it at this zone. Your risk to reward is not going to be there, and you can just get burned pretty bad because you're literally trying to buy something on its down run. So I think this is your best bet. Yes, price is way out of reach. It's quite a bit up here, so we'll most likely not hit it, at least for a while. So that's kind of just how Aussie dollar is going to be. You can't really force anything, so there's not really a trade set up here anytime soon, but we'll keep it in mind. We'll mark it down here, and we'll just watch the next couple days if things change. I mean, you never know. A couple days, or probably mid next week, comes up, hits this zone, rejects, then you're looking for a nice short position. So it does happen, happens all the time. It's worth waiting for. That is Aussie dollar.